Hi, in this video, we'll continue the third part of the video, and this is about Hans decomposition. But first, we will discuss about proposition 2.6. This is Hans' lemma. Let V be assigned measure on a measurable space with pair X, set X with script M. This is a sigma algebra. Then E is a measurable set for which, and we will also assume that E is a measurable set for which the measure is positive, finite. Then there is a measurable subset A, so we have, then according to this theorem, there is a measurable subset A of E that is positive and of positive measure. Now, so this is some existence theorem. So if we have an E here, which is measurable, so E is measurable, already given that E is measurable, and according to this theorem, there is a subset, let's call it A, that is positive. Okay, so there exists a subset A that is positive and of positive measure. So if we are going to get the measure that will be greater than 0, so naday set nga positive o niyang measure kay greater than 0 and of positive measure, subset A. Now, we have two cases. If A is, we are to consider two cases here, according to Royden, that E can be positive and E can be negative. Okay? So, for negative, we will consider two cases. We will consider two cases. If the selection process that he proposes here terminates, and the other one if does not terminate. So for this case, for the second case, we have two subcases. Okay, but first we will discuss the first case, which is if E is a positive set. Okay, so now so if E itself is positive, so kung ang E daw dere kay positive, then the proof is complete. Okay, remember, E is measurable, na aday measurable subset na A. So meaning kaning A dere, okay, there is a measurable subset, and this turns out to be E itself. Okay, so we know that this is a subset of itself, right? So kabalo man ta nga si E dere kay kuan measurable, okay, by hypothesis measurable siya, unya positive sad siya, no? So kani daw positive, no, kani. So positive na siya, unya ang measure niya kay, ang measure sad niya ni E kay greater than 0 by hypothesis, finite, no? Then nanatay A karon nga positive ug positive measure. So that's why the proof is complete. So it's quite okay. So for the second case, otherwise, no, kung dili na siya diri kay positive, kung otherwise meaning negative, okay, no, kung negative na siya, unsa siya, then E contains negative sets of negative measure. So nado siya mga subset na negative ang measure, so ang E. Now before we go there, no, natay mga let m sub 1 be the smallest natural number for which there is a measurable set of measure less than negative 1 over m sub 1. So muna yung correspondence. So mupili daw ka, let m sub 1 be the smallest natural number for which there is a measurable set less than n. So let's say kana siya nga measurable set E sub 1. Okay. Okay, anya ang iyahang measure kay less than negative 1 over m sub 1. So mo daw ni siya. Okay, so we will do that here. Okay, so again, we will consider two subcases for this second case. Okay, so if the process terminates, and what if the process does not terminate? So we have two. So now okay, we have this one. So we already learned how to select measurable sets with a sub 1 is. Now let n be a natural number for which the natural numbers m sub 1 up to m sub n, and the measurable sets e sub 1 and so on and so forth to e sub n. We have chosen, so kini daw corresponds to this, m sub 2 corresponds to e sub 2, up to m sub n corresponds. Have been chosen such that k is greater than equal to 1 and less than or equal to n. Okay, so m sub k is the smallest natural number for which there is a measurable subset of this one. Okay, so ing ano ni siya na natay e. Alright, natay e. Unya pagkahuman, we will choose m sub k nga smallest natural number for which there is a measurable subset of this one. So kini ipang-union nato tong nadere no, tong ato m sub k sa k minus 1. So if we're going to draw this one to have some kind of illustration, so kini daw dere kay mga kuan ni siya. Kini mo ni siya ang union sa e sub j, where j runs from 1 to k minus 1. Okay, so according the rate that we have been chosen such this one have been chosen such that na sa k nga between ana, that is smallest natural number nga na ay measurable subs, for which there is a measurable subset of this one. So kining nabilin diri, as we all know, kani siya mo man ni siya, naa daw ni siya measurable subset that is less than negative 1 over m sub k, and it turns out that that is e sub k. Okay, so naa daw ni siya dere. Okay, so kini mo ni siya katong si e sub k. Okay, so for which and a sub k is the subset of subset of this one. Okay, subset yun siya ani, for which this one is less than 1 over negative 1 over m sub k. If this selection process terminates, then the proof is complete. So allow me to explain, no? So ang goal ginato dere kay pangitaon tong subset. Okay, pangitaon nato tong subset ni e. Pangitaon to tong subset ni e nga naay positive measure, unya positive pud siya. No, moment tong nadari sa theorem. Dapat makakita tag subset ni e nga which is a na positive ug naay positive measure. So dere kay later it turns out na kadto day siya nga subset kay kini, no, kini dito siya. Okay, so kini, no, pero explain na to later. So now nganong inani siya, so kabalota nga, so dapat i-prove nato nga ang kini dapat na, so meaning dapat i-prove nato nga ang kini dapat kuan ni siya positive. Okay, positive ang measure ni ana, so ang v dapat ana kay greater than 0. Okay, nya i-prove pud nato na ang kini kay positive pud siya nga set, no. Okay, this one is a positive set. So sa kani unahon sa nato ni siya okay, unahon sa nato ni siya nga kuan i-prove sa nato nga positive siya. Pwede pod unahon nato mo prove na ang measure ana kay greater than 0 nya later ato i-prove na kini pod positive. So meaning nadi daw ni siya yung mga subset nga nado ni siya yung subset na nado ni siya yung subset measurable subset nga positive na po siya yung mga subset daw nga kini siya nado ni siya yung mga subset nga okay ang mga measurable subset ana kay positive daw. I'm sorry. Positive ang ilang measure. Okay, subset ani nga positive ang measure. Okay. Unya measurable pod. Okay. Sige. So if we have this one, we have V. We know that VE is equal to V of K minus 1 and J. Then we have this one. Okay, we know that VE is greater than 0 by hypothesis, no? Kita na to ganyan, adara. So, greater than 0. So, which means to say, kay mo man na siya, nya kabalo man ta nga ang kini siya, kini kay negative manidaan. Okay? Kaya ang mga measure man ani, no, naman to'y mga ing-ani, ang mga V E sub 1 kay less than ba yato, no? Less than negative 1 over M sub 1, V E sub 2 less than negative 1 over M sub 2, and so on and so forth. Mamani sila, no? So, kung isam ni mo, so meaning, kini siya, okay, negative. No. Okay. So, negative siya. So, overall, kini siya kay negative, no? Ang measure ni ana. So, negative ni siya. Kung ibalhin mo ni siya dari, ma-positive, no? So, it turns out that V of E ana is negative of V ana siya which is greater than 0, and it turns out that this one, the measure of this one is greater than 0. So, kani daw siya, kini, no? Which is, kani man to, kay greater than 0. So, okay na tong first part, no? Positive na siya. So, naa daw tay, kadto nga A, kay it turns out, maumani siya, no? Positive siya. Okay, so ana. Then ato na lang i-prove nga ang kini kay positive set, no? Ang measure niya kay positive, so positive set na siya. So now for that we will show that okay, so let me erase this one. Or nahulot atong space. So for the second part, we will prove that this one is a positive set. Okay? So, inana to siya. V minus 1, right? So we know that kini siya kay mo man no. Kani. Okay. So that is actually V of E K plus V of okay. So, na-prove na to ganiya no nga ang kini kay of positive measure. So, greater than 0 na gyud siya daan. So, kini mo man ni siyang EK, yang kining gawas kay mo man ni siya. Okay? Now, kini kabalo naman ta nga kini negative. So, it turns out that this implies kung ibalhin nimo ni siya sa pikas, may mong positive. So, may mo kani, may mo ng so natay remember this one is a measurable set no, measurable kay mga measurable baya ni siya nya pag iana nimo nya kay measurable daan, so measurable ni nya pag ana measurable man gyapon ni, so meaning measurable gyapon ni siya. So measurable ni siya gyapon no. So nanatay subset na okay, subset nga measurable. Ato na lang ipakita nga ang measure ani kay greater than 0 no. So it turns out that this one is E, then ana, then so may mo ng negative V of EK, and we know that this one is ang value by ani kay negative no, kay negative baya siya, sure guaranteed gud siya nga negative kay less than ani gud siya no. So meaning ang value kay negative. So kay negative pagbalhin positive, so greater than 0. So this one is a measurable subset na ang measure kay greater than 0. So meaning naa gid ay no. So measurable man so tanan mga measurable subset, okay, tanan mga measurable subset ni kani kay greater than 0. So meaning, which means to say that this one is positive set. So we've already know that this one or this one is of positive measure unya ang kini positive set pod. So meaning the proof here is complete no. Kana lang kung mo terminate lang siya no, if the process terminates. Now what if dili siya mohunong no? Otherwise kung di siya mohunong, meaning walay kaundangan ang ato ang selection. So kini no walay kaundangan. Kani siya di mo undang ato ang selection process dere. So kani nagkadaghan. So otherwise we will define A to be equal to this one is the relative complement of ano siya. So kung tanaw tong diagram dito taas, nagkadaghan ni siya no, nagkadaghan. Okay. So kani siya dari kay nagkadaghan no. Okay. So gamay na lang jud kayo ang space niya no? So that okay, so that E sub 1 so that E is equal to A union of this one. So kay complement man, so automatic kini o kini kay disjoint decomposition of E. Okay, so since E is a measurable subset of kani siya is a measurable subset of E. Kay kini mga measurable man niya pang iyon measurable, no? So since measurable man siya, and we also know that the absolute value of E kay finite, no? Kay kuan baya to ang VE baya kay finite. So of course pag ana finite po siya. So naman tay remark sa una nga kung subset ni siya, kung kini subset siya ani nya ang kini inani, it follows that this one is also finite. Okay, so muna siya. So finite ni, so we have this one. So we have this V of UK is equal to ano? So disjoint decomposition man siya. So yung ana, no? Equals yung ani dayon equal nya kabaw man ta nga ang V EK. Okay, pwede siya. So we will not disregard the possibility nga mo equal siya, no? Ang V EK and equal to 1 over MK. So pag imong isya kuan may ani, no? So we have this one, no? So na naman tayo nani. Thus we have the limit of MK as K approaches to infinity kay infinity, no? Although negative siya. Okay. So kay mupili man tag mga MK, no? Mga MK. Unyang kaning MK daghan man kaayo ni siya. Mga natural numbers man ni siya. So pag muran siya up to infinity, so kini pod muran pod up to infinity, no? Okay, that's why the limit of K as K greater than 0, infinity kay ana, no? So we claim that A is positive set. Okay, we will claim that A is positive set. Sa itong A, kini man to, no? Mo man ni siya. So murag kini siya, no? Kini gid siya. So kini ang nabilin. No, mo ni siya. Nabilin. Nagkadaghan man ni siya dere. So kini mo ni siya, no? Nabilin. Okay, atong i-prove nga again, atong i-prove nga positive set siya. Okay, positive set ni siya unya na daw siya ay positive set siya unya ang measure pod niya kay di ba ang kini kay subset man siya ani. So i-prove na to na kini positive unya na po siya positive measure. Okay, so in other words mo ni siya, no? So muna siya, we claim that A is positive mo na tong claim. Okay, indeed, if B is measurable subset of A, then for each K natay ing ani, no? So puntahay natay A, mo man itong A, no? Kani nya katong B kay mo tong katong kuan. If B is a measurable subset of A, okay, subset niya kani measurable, no? Then for each K, so ing ani siya, no? For each K man, so daghan kayo K up to infinity, no? And so on, okay? By the minimal choice of MK, so ang VB kay greater than or equal to -1 over MK minus 1. Now we know that since the limit of mk as k approaches to infinity, kay infinity siya. So pag nagkadaghan ni siya, pag mo-approach ni infinity, so ma-force ta nga ang kini mo equal siya og 0. Okay? So mo equal ni siya 0, therefore VB is greater than or equal to 0. So mo na inani siya, no? Thus, A is a positive set. Kay tanan man mga measurable na B, kay ang measure niya kay greater than or equal to 0. Sa ato pa, ang A kay positive set. Now, na-prove na to nga positive set siya, ang A, which is katong giingon kaganiha. So, ang ato na lang gid i-show kay kini. It remains to show that this one is greater than 0. Ang measure niya kay greater than 0. But it follows from the finite additivity that if of V, since V is greater than 0, V is, and this one is less than 0, this one is less than 0, then makaingon dayon ta nga kuan in ani, no? Because inani gyapon to siya. So we know that VE is equal to V of E A is equal to V of A. Okay, we know that greater than 0 na siya, no? Ang kini kay by hypothesis, no? We've already proved that this one is kani siya kay negative, no? Negative ang measure ni ana. So kung ibalhin nimo, it implies that sa pika side sa inequality is implies that VA is equal to negative of V of should be V of E of A. Okay, positive naman siya, so greater than 0. So which means to say that VA is greater than 0. So na-show na to nga greater than 0 siya. So which means to say that ang A kay mo man no? Na-prove na nato nga ang A kini siya, ang A kay of positive measure og ang iya pong mga measurable subsets kay greater than or equal to 0 pod ang mga measure, therefore A is a positive set. Unya ang A, remember, is a subset of E. Okay? So kadto day siya na, so meaning there exists E nga A, subset na A ni E nga positive ang measure o positive po siya. So we are done with the Hans lemma. So for the next video, next part, we will discuss the Hans decomposition theorem, and I'll try to explain the proof. Thank you very much and have a nice day.